Can an LLC elect S corporation status? Yes, an LLC can elect S Corp status by filing Form 2553 with the IRS. This doesn't change the LLC's legal structure, but it changes how the business income is taxed. With S Corp taxation, the owner pays themselves a reasonable salary that is subject to payroll taxes, and then any remaining profits can be taken as distributions, which are not subject to self-employment tax. This structure can lower the overall tax burden if the business generates more income than the owner's salary. However, not every LLC qualifies. To elect S Corp status, the LLC must have fewer than 100 members, only one class of ownership, and all members must be U.S. citizens or residents. The election also comes with additional payroll and filing responsibilities. Zen Business can form your LLC and handle the S Corp election paperwork, so you get the right tax setup. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.